Hey everyone, it's Joni. Today I'm going to be showing you how to style your curtain bangs, or even if you are looking to get curtain bangs, just some ideas of how you would want your hair to look. You don't need any fancy equipment like hot curlers, just a flat iron and a curling iron is perfect. I hope you enjoy these hairstyles and let's get started. So if you got curtain bangs or if you're looking to get curtain bangs, you probably love that swoopy look that it gives you and the volume. That's what I love about it personally. So there are a couple ways that you can get that swoop look, but I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can do it. I'm just going to use a regular straightener. The first thing you want to do is put the straightener on a really low setting. I'm putting mine down to 300. This is just because you're only curling a small section of your bangs and your hair, so you don't want to fry your hair or make it curl too much or out of control. But this does depend on the thickness of your hair. My hair is really thin, so I put it on the lowest setting. So you're going to take your curtain bang section and you're basically just going to curl it. You're going to pull and curl like that. Gonna go pulling it up and curling it out. So as you can see, it did do a little bit of a swoop. And if you want a more intense curl, then I'm going to show you a little trick. You're just going to pinch the bottom and the middle like this, so it's like a little curl, and then you're going to take your straightener and basically just flatten it like that, and it will give you that shape. I'm going to go on the other side. And boom, you see that has that swoopy look, which is so cute. Now that you have your curtain bangs styled, I'm going to show you a really easy hairstyle that you can do to pair with this. So my hair is already kind of in the hairstyle that I'm going to show you, but it could be a little bit more intense. All you're going to need for this style is 1.5 or 2 inch curling iron. This one is the one with the clamp, and you're going to want the one with the clamp. You can use a straightener, and you can use one of the wands, but this works best. So if you have this one, then grab that. You can make the heat pretty much any intensity that you want. I recommend the lower the better, since you're going to be dealing with the ends of your hair, but totally up to you and how your hair texture is. So this look is a little bit more on the retro side, but I've been personally loving it. I saw someone do it on TikTok and I literally can't stop doing this hairstyle. I recommend sectioning your hair out for this, putting it in a half up, half down, but I'm just going to show you the simple motion on how to do it. So just going to take a good amount of hair, not too thick, not too thin, and you're going to pull it down and curve it out, and don't hold it for too long, just kind of release it, and it gives you a cute little outward curl. And you're just going to repeat that all over, just kind of twisting and pulling. Once you're done, your hair should look something like this, very volumized, very cute, and great when you're in a rush. The second hairstyle idea is going to be based off of this look. So once you have your ends curled out, all you need is 2 elastic bands like these little guys, and you're gonna create little pigtails so that your hair is volumized and you look super cute. So I just take a small-ish amount, not too small though, of my hair, because my hair is kind of thin. So you're just gonna tie it in a little pigtail like so, and pull it. Here is the second look. Super cute, super easy. This is literally my go-to look for every day, because it's just so cute. The pigtails add a little bit more volume, and it just adds more dimension to your hair. It also gets rid of the hair on the sides so that your curtain bangs stand out. For this next hairstyle, you're just going to need a little claw clip. This is the only one I have, but I recommend those like big claw ones that are like longer and cuter. I don't know, this is pretty cute though. This is basically just going to be a French twist on your hair, and I have medium short hair, so it kind of works for me. It would work a little bit better with long hair, but it's still doable for short hair if you have short hair like me. You're going to basically take your hair and twist it around your finger and twist it up. twist it around your finger here like so, and then twist it upwards like this. And you're gonna take your clip, here's what it looks like from the front. This is my like go-to messy hair look if my hair is just really feeling dry or I don't have a lot of time. I just twist it up and put it in a clip and it's all good, and then your bangs can just chill. The last hairstyle that I do to my hair is just to add a little bit of braids to make it look cute and interesting. So sometimes I take the front part of my head and do a braid, but today I'm feeling different, I don't know, so I'm gonna take the front and then a little bit underneath my main layer and braid from there. Take your elastic, secure that bitch, and it looks like this. And then do it to the other side. I lost my hair tie, but this is the final look. It just adds that extra texture to your hair so it looks more interesting and just has more dimension to it. So those are all of the hairstyles that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoy curtain bangs as much as I do. I love how much dimension it adds to your hair. So if you are having any doubts about getting them, you should get them. You'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye.